Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ms. Sanika Vindi, an undergraduate student at LLB University. Today we are diving into important data structure, the ArrayStack. So let's get started. So what is a stack? Stack is a linear data structure that follows the LIFO principle. Okay, what is LIFO? LIFO means last input, first output. Last input and first output. Okay, now imagine a stack of boxes like this. When you are at a new box, it goes onto the top. When you are removing one, you remove from the top first. That's exactly how stack works. Before moving to the stack operations, let's learn about ArrayStack. An ArrayStack is a stack data structure that implemented using an array. This is the ArrayStack, and this is the array, and this is the stack. Next, we talk about stack operations. We have 5 main stack operations. First one is push, and the second one is pop. Third one is heap. Fourth one is full, and last one is empty. In this stack, we have top of the stack. This is the top of the stack. Now I'm going to show you how stack works using these 5 operations. Here we have empty stack. The top value of empty stack is -1. Now I'm going to push 9 to this stack. After push 9, the 9 is going to stop the bottom of the stack. Now the top value is increased by 1, it is 0. Again I am going to push 6, and we can add this 6 like this. The top value is going to be 1. This is how push operation works. This is how push operation works. Push operation means add an element to top of the stack. Next, we are going to learn about pop operation. We can write like this. Pop operation means removing the element from the top of a stack. There is no value because we are removing only top element of the stack. Let's use in this stack. When we are using pop operation, we are remove 6 because this is the top of the stack. Then the top value decrease by 1 So top value is going to be 0. Okay. Next, I'm going to pop again. Now the 9 is going to be removed and the stack is empty. Because of that, the top is again going to be -1. That is the pop operation works. Now we are going to discuss about peak operation. Here we have stack. Now I am going to implement peak operation to this stack. Peak operation means get the top value of the stack without removing it. Now I am going to peak the 6. After doing peak operation, we can get the same stack without any changes. We are going to discuss about is full operation. When we are going to add a new element to the stack, we have to check whether the stack is full or not. Now I am going to push 2 to this stack. Before adding this 2, we have to check whether this stack is full or not. So this stack is not full, so we can add this 2 to this stack. Next I am going to push 5. Before adding this 5, we have to check the stack is full or not. The stack is full at this moment, so we can't add 5 to this stack. So this is the is full operation. We have to check the array is full or not before adding any element. So here we have our last operation is empty operation. When we are doing pop operation, we have to check whether the stack is empty or not. As an example, here we have an ArrayStack. So I'm going to do pop operation to this stack. Before doing pop operation, we have to check whether the stack is empty or not. So this stack is not empty, so we can do pop operation. Pop operation means removing the top element from the stack. So we are going to remove 2. After removing this element, our top value is decreased by 1. So here the top value is going to be -1. Then I am going to do pop operation to this stack. Before doing pop operation, we have to check whether the stack is empty or not. So here the top value is -1. So our stack is empty. So we can't do pop operation to this stack.
Now that we understand how an ArrayStack works, let's jump into the coding part. Let's go step by step to understand the code. First step is class definition. First, we create the class called ArrayStack that represents our stack. In this The top variable tracks the last inserted element in the stack. Capacity holds the maximum number of elements the stack can store. An integer array stack is used to store elements. The second step is constructor to initialize the stack. Now let's initialize the stack with a given size. This sets the maximum size of the stack. This creates an array of the given capacity. Initially the stack is empty, so we set top to -1. Then the third step is push method. Next we implement the push operation to add elements to the stack. This condition checks if the stack is full and print an error if no more elements can be added. This line increments top and insert the value at the new top index. Fourth step is pop method. The pop method removes and returns the last inserted element. This condition checks if the stack is empty and print an error if there is nothing to remove. This line returns the top element and decrement top to remove it. The next step is peek method. The peek method lets us see the top element without removing it. This condition, if the stack is empty, there is nothing to peek at. And this line returns the current top element. The next step is isEmpty method. Lastly, the isEmpty method checks whether the stack has any elements. In this line, if top is -1, the stack is empty. The last step is main class for testing. Now let's test our stack implementation in the main method. Here we create a stack with the capacity of 5. Here we have 3 values. First, push 10 onto the stack. Then push 20 onto the stack. After that, push 30 onto the stack. Now, let's execute these peek and pop operations. As you can see, initially, before executing pop operation, the top element is 30. Then we pop that element. After that, when we execute the peek operation, the top element becomes 20. And that's it. We have successfully implemented a stack using an array in Java. I hope you find this explanation helpful.
So that's all for today. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.